Automating your Excel reports with Power Query has revolutionized the way data analysts and office workers create and manage reports, saving countless hours of tedious data manipulation. Excel's Power Query feature is a powerful tool that allows you to extract, transform, and load data from various sources into your spreadsheet, streamlining the reporting process. One of the key benefits of Power Query is its ability to connect to multiple data sources, including databases, cloud storage services, and even web APIs. Let's start by creating a new query to connect to a sample dataset. Open your Excel spreadsheet and navigate to the Data tab. Click on the New Query button and select from Other Sources for Microsoft Query. This will open the Power Query Editor. In the Power Query Editor, click on the From Database button and select Excel Workbook. Then, choose your sample dataset, which we'll use to demonstrate the automation process. For this example, let's use this sales dataset